Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to turn on professional mode or how to find professional mode on Facebook, and moreover we will also tell you what is the benefit of the professional mode on your Facebook profile. Now we will discuss how you can get that professional mode. For this you have to click on profile. After that you have to simply again click on the profile icon. Here you will find the three dots. You have to click on that. If you click on three dots, then here you will find the many options like account status, view as, lock profile, and if you scroll down, then here you will find the option of turn on professional mode. You have to click on that. If you click on professional mode, then here they will tell you what are the benefits of getting that professional mode. The first one is as you can get paid for your content, which means if you upload videos, then if people watch videos, then you can get reward for that. Moreover, you can see who watch your videos, and people can follow you after you turn on the professional mode, which means you can simply turning your profile into professional profile and as a content creator. After that, if you turn on, then you will find all the benefits of the professional mode from here. Moreover, many people are not getting the professional mode on their profile. Uh, if they want to get that professional mode, they have to click on help and support and get the help from the Facebook that they are not getting the professional mode. Here they can search for the problem they are having, and Facebook will connect to them and solve that problem for them. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.